Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Arif Muhammad from Zone Durgmulla, currently working as cluster resource person. Today I have decided to deliver a maths lesson. Today my topic is rational numbers, some basic operations of rational numbers. This is my second class. In the first class we have discussed rational numbers and integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. Today we will start. Topic is our basic operations on rational numbers. The first basic operation, which is addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication, and the fourth one is division. These are the four basic operations of rational numbers. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is addition on rational numbers. I will write short and dot s. For example, I have a question. I have a rational number 3/5 plus 3 comma 4/5. It is a rational number. I had discussed it earlier in the first class. Here are two conditions in addition. First is when denominators are same. First condition is when denominators are same. Second condition is when denominators are distinct. I already discussed it. I will take one more example when denominators are distinct. For example, this is 4/7, 5/8. We will try to solve it. This is 4/7. Here denominators are distinct, this condition, and here denominators are same. It is very easy. I already discussed it. I will try to solve this one. 4 plus 5/8. This plus is the side of addition. Or here are two methods. One is by cross multiplication method. Second is by finding LCM, least common multiple. And first method is by cross multiplication method. This means the numerator of first number is to be multiplied by the denominator of the second number, that is 4 into 8, and sign is plus, and the denominator of first number is to be multiplied by numerator of second number, that is 7 into 5, and denominator of first number into denominator of second number, that is 7 into 8, this one. And we will multiply 4 into 8, 4 times 8, that is 32, plus 7 into 5, 35, divided by 7 into 8, 56, and it will come, we will add them, 7, 67 divided by 56. This is the answer of this very question. We have added 4/7 plus 5/8 by the method of cross multiplication method, and the second more method is by finding the LCM, least common multiple. For that we take the denominators of both numbers, that is 7 and 8, and we know how to find LCM. 7 into 8 is the LCM, that is 56. Now we will convert this denominator into 56. Our question is 4/7 into For example, we have to multiply here something with 7 so that it becomes 56. 7 into 8, that is 56, and we have to write there also 8. Why? Because when we cut them, it will once again become 4 by 7. 4 into 8, 32. And similarly, we will change 5 by 8 into denominator 56. अब मैं देखना है कि 8 को हम किससे मल्टीपल करेंगे ताकि ये 56 बनेगा। 8 into 7, 8 7s are 56. अब यहाँ पर भी 7 डालना है, बिकॉज जब हम 7 7 कट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर फिर से आएगा 5 by 8, 5 यहाँ पर आएगा 5 7 35. अब हमारे पास बन गया, सवाल आया है, एक है 32 by 56, दूसरा है 35 by 56. अब ये लाइक बन गया। अब हम इसको डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। एक है 32 by 56 प्लस दूसरा है 35 by 56. Now the denominator are same. We will write only one, that is 56. 32 plus 35, that is equal to 67 but of 56. Both the answers are correct and both the methods are correct. This was addition or rational numbers, which was a little bit easy because sign of both numbers were positive. Now I will take one number where sign is negative, in which students mostly face difficulty. For example, we have a minus 4 by 3, 5 by 7. Here sign is negative. So what will we do? We write minus 4 by 3 plus. Plus is the sign of addition. 5 7 5. Here denominators are different, so we can use both methods, by cross multiplication method or by LCM method. Let us take one method, by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, we will write minus 4 into 7. This time it is minus 4 plus 5 into 3 or 3 into 5 divided by denominator and denominators 3 into 7, and it will become 4 7s are 28, it is minus 28 because plus minus is minus, plus 3 5s are 15 divided by 3 7s are 21. Now the question is minus 28 plus 15. We know it is minus. Minus means we can say that it is loss or it is decrease. For example, it is minus 28, a loss of rupees 28, and it is 15, it is positive, that means a profit of 15. For example, एक बच्चे को, एक दुकानदार को 28 रुपए का नुकसान हुआ है एक चीज में, दूसरी चीज में वो उसको 15 रुपए का फायदा हुआ है। तो जब वो नेचुरली उसको कैलकुलेशन करेगा कि मुझे फायदा हुआ है, नुकसान हुआ है, तो वो सोचेगा कि पहले 28 रुपए का घाटा हुआ है, फिर 15 रुपए का नफा, तो हम इसको माइनस करेंगे सिंपली। तो यहाँ पर आएगा a minus 5 is equal to 3, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 13, but 13 क्या है, ये घाटा है, that means it is loss, that is minus 13. So we will write here minus 13 divided by 21. We have already did it in previous classes. When one number is minus and second is plus, that is one is negative and another is positive. We always do their subtraction. This is the answer, and we can also solve it by LCM method, but the time is running out, so I will take one more operation, that is subtraction. This is 4 by 3, 5 by 4. We have to subtract them. Or this is 9 by 3. Firstly, there are also two methods. One is when denominators are same, and one is when denominators are distinct. We can go on like this: 9 by 3. Here denominators are distinct. Minus. This minus comes sign of subtraction. 5 by 4. Here denominators are not same, so we can make them same by finding LCM, and also we can do this by cross multiplication method. Simple, we will do by cross multiplication method, or I will say I will try to do it in another method also. This is 9 into 4, numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, minus, sign is minus, 3 into 5, divided by denominator into denominator, 3 into 4, and this will become 9 into 4, 36, sign is the minus, 3 into 5, 15, divided by 3 into 4, 12, and this will become, when we will subtract it, 36 minus 15, 6 out of 5, that is 1, 3 out, that is 2, 21 divided by 12. This will, sign will be positive. Why? Because we are subtracting 36. 36 was positive and answer will be positive, in positive. 21 divided by 12, this is the answer. Or we can find it by another method, that is by LCM, least common multiple. For that we made denominator same. Firstly we will find the LCM of 3 and 4, that is 12. Simply we will write 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Now we have to make, our question is 9 by 3. We have to make denominator should be 12. Now the question is, what will we multiply 3 so that the number it will become 12? Obviously 4. 3 4s are 12. We have to write there also 4. When 4 cut, our question will be same, 9 by 3. 9 4s are 36. This is the answer of 9 by 3. And the second one was, I will write here 5 by 4 into LCM was 12. Now we will see what will be multiplied to 4 to get 12. Obviously 3, because 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now our question is 36 divided by 12. Sorry, it was minus. It was minus 5 by 4. It is minus, obviously, minus 15 by 12. And it will become, दो 12 के बदले हम एक ही 12 लिखेंगे because denominators are same, and it will 36 minus 15, that is equal to 21 by 12. On both methods our answer is same. Answer is correct, 21 by 12. यहाँ पर प्लस 21 आएगा क्योंकि हमने 36 में से 15 काटे हैं. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको यह समझ आया होगा. इसके बाद वन मोर ऑपरेशन ऑन रेशनल नंबर, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्रोडक्ट आल्सो कह सकते हैं हम इसको. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन 4 by 3, 4 by 7 and 5 by 8. Here only one condition, whether denominators are same or not. Rule is only one. We have to do like this. This is the sign of multiplication because we are working on multiplication on rational numbers. This will become 4 into 5. Simply we have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator, divided by 7 into 8, 56. We can further break it into another rational number. This is the answer, and it has only one method. Here we cannot do the cross multiplying method or another method, and this is very easy. And now the last one is one more example here. When there is minus, suppose this is another question. We will write minus 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 8, and it will become 4 into 3, 12. Minus minus plus, this is plus 12. 8 into 5, this is 40. How this becomes plus 12? I will discuss it in another class because it is a very broad concept. How this minus into minus becomes plus, yeah, plus into plus is equal to plus, yeah, plus into minus is equal to minus. We will try to discuss or make one more class on this step. इसके बाद हम उठाएंगे इसका जो आखिरी स्टेप है डिवीजन, डिवाइड, लास्ट है we have question 2/8 divided by 3/5. What will we do here? This is the dividend and this is the divisor. We also read it, dividend and divisor. For example 3 यहाँ पर 13 यहाँ पर 8, this is the dividend, इसको हम dividend divisor बोलते हैं, sorry, और this one is dividend, और जो यहाँ पर आएगा जिससे से तकसीम हो जाएगा that is called कोफिशिएंट, और जो बाकी रह जाएगा लास्ट पर that is remainder. We have to work on this part, divisor. इसको मैं ऐसे ही लिखना है 2/8. We will convert it multiple के इनवर्स ऑफ 3/5. हम इसको मल्टीपल में चेंज करेंगे, ये डिवाइड हम इसको मल्टीपल बनाएंगे तो मल्टीपल इनवर्स इसका क्या आएगा 5/3, और हम इसको कह सकते हैं रेसिप्रोकल 3/5. हम इसको चेंज करेंगे उल्टा पुल्टा, वो आएगा 5/3, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 3/5 इज 5/3. तो हम इसको डिवाइड को कन्वर्ट करेंगे जरा में, यहाँ पर आएगा 3/5 था, ये आएगा 5/3. यहाँ हमने पहले ही सीखा है 2 into 5 हो गया 10, 8 into 3 हो गया 24. दिस इज द आंसर. होपफुली आपको ये समझ आया होगा. आज हमने टॉपिक उठाया था रेशनल नंबर्स के बेसिक ऑपरेशंस जो है, एडिशन था, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. इंशाल्लाह अगले टॉपिक पे हम बात करेंगे कि हाउ माइनस इनटू माइनस बिकम्स प्लस एंड हाउ प्लस पॉजिटिव इनटू नेगेटिव बिकम्स नेगेटिव. थैंक यू.